What does it take to order yourself directly from China without any agent? Is it possible for me to order directly from 1688 without any procurement agent by myself and get it delivered to me in Nigeria? Hey guys, this is Ken Steve right here, and today we are going to be looking at how you can order yourself directly from 1688 or Taobao, pay yourself, track yourself without any procurement agent with their charges. In case you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Ken Steve, and here we teach people about mini importation, e-commerce business, web development, Facebook ads, and in fact the whole lot of skills that you need to make money online legitimately in Nigeria and abroad. I advise you that you should subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification. We post video 2 to 3 times a week and you are going to get notified. In case you are interested in learning online skills that are earning money for me and my students right now, and then you don't want to pay the huge amount of money to people who claim to be gurus but doesn't give result, then I advise you that kindly subscribe here, turn on the notification so that you keep getting updates every time we upload a new video. So people keep asking, is it possible for me to buy from 1688 myself? Can I do that by myself? What if I buy and I didn't get here? So we are going to be showing you on my screen here exactly how I used to buy myself, the same method I used to buy for people, show you the same way I have shown my students, and they are now buying for themselves. So buying from 1688, you just need a Alipay account, which is number one, and then you also need 1688 account. Of course, the Alipay account need to be verified, and then the 1688 account, there is nothing like verification. Once you are verified on Alipay, that is all. So the third thing you need apart from Alipay accounts, verified accounts, and 1688 is the money inside that account. Let the money be there. And then fourthly, you need a shipping agent who can give you the address and then ship your, who can give you the address for you to add on 1688 and then complete your order, check out, and then track the goods so that the shipping agent can take the goods down to Nigeria here. So on my screen here, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how you're going to navigate the site from adding the product to cart to making payment and then to whatever you are supposed to do. So come with me. I'm going to share my screen right now. Okay, so when you come to the site is called 1688. When you type that on your Chrome browser, you will see the site, and then this is the site. And right here, I've selected the product I want to order. You can actually do that yourself by typing or searching any product, and make sure you're on Chrome browser so that you do what you understand it better. So like from here now, you can see after searching the product, you can see down where they say order now. If you translate, that is what you will see, order now and add to purchase. So if you are ordering many things, you just say add to purchase, but for now I will say order now. So if I click order now, it is loading and it will take me to this place. And in this place, I have not logged in, so I will need to log in. So logging in here, it will require that I log into an account that I already connected with Alipay account. Remember, it is already connected with what? Alipay account. So they will now take you to this very place here. So as you are logging in, they're supposed to still take you back to that place. So now they are sending me a verification code to confirm my phone number that no any other person have hacked my account, but I'm actually the person that is using the account. So you just wait patiently, and then the code will arrive. So you see it here. This is just login. So you can see. Yes, I just logged in now. So they're asking me click to use on Chrome browser. Always remember you are going to use it on Chrome browser for better understanding. So you can see that it has finished loading. It takes us back to where we were placing order. So from here, just click on the order now button once more. So they will now take you to this page. So here, this is where you are going to select based on what you want to order, the quantity, the color, whether blue, black, red. So I'll just select this one here, and then after you select the quantity as you like, you just click on what determine. So always remember that the number you want, you must select it here based on the category you want, the color, the size. If it's a product that is having sizes, you always select it here. So now I'm downloading to take me to where I can confirm my payment. I can complete my order with payment. Remember, the determine button is the next step. So you can see that I'm taking me to this place over here. So now from here they will require that you should put your shipping address. Where are they going to ship the product and drop? This is not your own Nigerian address, but the shipping address of your logistic company. Remember, I said in the other video on adding your shipping address. It is not your address, but rather the address of your shipping agent. So you can see down here they have calculated everything to be 82 yuan. So that is the total amount you are going to pay. So meanwhile, from here you're supposed to add a shipping address, right? So if you can see I was using Patrick before, so that is their own address. But let's say I want to change it now for the purpose of this tutorial so that you people understand. So you can see the front arrow on that address. Click on it, so it will take you here. So now if you're not having any other address, they will say you should add, but for now I'm having many here, so let me just select. So if I select another one, so they have added that one. Let me translate. You can now see I have changed from Patrick to what? One go. So this is a totally new address. So this is the total amount you're going to pay down here with shipping fee included. It is what? 82 yuan. So that is what you're actually going to pay. So now we come to where they say leave a message. So in this leave a message, you are going to type write my name and phone number on the parcel, like I said in the other video. So you will tell them in their own language to write your name and phone number on the parcel. You type and translate and paste to them. So you now forward to complete your payment. So they will take you over here to your Alipay account. So remember, the Alipay have to be linked together with your 1688 account for easy payment. So you can see that automatically taking me to my Alipay account. So under down here they are saying bank transfer, but we don't have any business with that since I'm using my Alipay. So you just click on your Alipay payment. So you can see down here, you see the button where they say go to pay. So that is the amount. Remember I told you is 82 yuan. So you can see down button here, they are saying go to pay. That is where you are going to complete your order. So when I click on it, it will load and take me over here. So over here, all you need to do is just click on the blue button down here and you are good to go because it is already connected. So remember I told you before that you have to set your payment password and then your login password. So here you are going to put your payment password, not your login password. So once you put your payment password, they will take you and complete the order. It will be showing under to be delivered. I'm not going to do that because I'm doing the video for the purpose of this tutorial. So once you have the balance, it will be deducted. As simple as that. That is how you're going to place the order by yourself. But in other cases, you might not really be having a shipping address saved on your account already. Okay, if you can see on my screen where I just show you how to place the order, you will discover that my accounts have been already saved on the site, and as well my shipping address have been uploaded already. So that might seem somehow complicated or maybe quite different from your own. So don't bother yourself. I'm doing another video this same week, and once the video is ready, I'm going to drop on the description box here. So if you're watching this video right now, kindly check the description because the video is supposed to be ready by now, so that you're going to watch and see exactly how you're going to add a shipping address to a new 1688 or Taba account. That is all for now. Please, if you are new here, please I advise you that you should subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you are going to support us here. You are not paying anything. Just support this channel by subscribing, like, and then comment what is your own suggestion about this video, or still you can drop another video topic on the comment section and I will quickly reply you and do another video concerning that. Thanks, and see you in another video. Thumbs up.